Bitcoin is in consolidation, but we will speak about the Bitcoin moon phases again, because this was the reason we predicted the pump, right? I mean, it's not an astrological channel, but I told you as soon as we see here in full moon, we will see with 70 to 80% probability pump, and not because I'm saying 70 to 80%, because they're based on the statistics. Because if we are watching back, every time when we had full moon, we saw pump, and then again a pump. But the new moon is on the way, so after full moon come new moon, right? You know, and on the 20th April we will see a new moon, and this is when I expecting to see a dump, right? So I will go I will go much more in details right now here, but I will speak also about the altcoins, because we will see right now an altcoin season. I told you, as soon as we see Bitcoin consolidating, we are expecting altcoin to run. And the crazy thing is, we see here right now also FXS. If we're watching FXS perfectly pumped. It perfectly worked out as Bitcoin is in consolidation. We see here right now FXS pumping. We bought it here at around $8. We bought it much earlier, but I wrote you in the Telegram group that I'm buying more here at $8. So this was a pump of over 27% right now, and I'm expecting that we could go even higher. As soon as we break the weekly resistance, I expect that we are going even to $14 or even to $17. So what is right now important, we will watch the Bitcoin dominance chart, and here is very interesting, because if we are watching here on the weekly right now, we are forming here bearish divergence, right? You see here the RSI is going up, while the price, wait a minute, 1 second, while the price is going down. It's not much, but it's slightly, right? We see it on the weekly, but we see it also very clearly on the daily. If we're watching here on the daily, we see it very clearly that the RSI is going down, but the price is going up. So that means obviously that as soon as we see here the Bitcoin dominance chart falling, then we see obviously the altcoins rising. So this is what I'm expecting here. It's not a guarantee. Do your own research, bratans. But I'm expecting here not only FXS but also AGX, or we see Arbitrum pumping right now. Arbitrum we bought here at around $1.18. I wrote you also this in our group, Telegram group. So this is a pump of over 40%, amazing. And obviously Arbitrum could go even higher. We could see here Arbitrum going to $2, but I would be very careful. If you are here in the long, or if you're on spot, I would take here some profits, because this is obviously could be very dangerous. Because why? And this you have to watch. It's not a bull market yet. I know a lot of people speaking about Bitcoin to 100k, blah blah blah, but it doesn't matter on which time frame you watch. We have here a bearish divergence. RSI is going down while the price is going up, so it's a very very clear bearish divergence. I would be here very careful to speak about the bull market, because like I told you in all my videos, I'm expecting, yes, we could go here further to 34, 35k, but this is the maximum. I don't expect that we are going about 35k, because you see here this 2-3 years resistance line, support and resistance. I'm expecting that we are getting here rejected, and then see, like Michael Burry, as I told you, said that we see a Q3, Q4, a big dump. Maybe even we create a new lower low to 16,000-15,000, but I'm expecting 20k at least. And as soon as 2024, 2025, after Bitcoin halving, then we are going into a bull market. This is what I'm expecting right now. Ethereum is on a good way to $2,500. We broke here the support line, monthly and daily support line. This is a resistance line. This is amazing. So it turns into a support line. Obviously we could see here retest of $1,800. However, I still expecting here that we are going to $2,500, so still 20% pump if Bitcoin further pumping. It obviously depends on Bitcoin. If you are in a long on Ethereum, just make sure your stop loss below daily support below $1,600. Not financial advice. Please do your own research. Also, if you're in a long, I show you also in second my long positions. If you are in a Bitcoin long, make sure you have your stop loss below the weekly first or second support 24,200. And I'm also in a Aave long. I show you also in a second. Aave, I also in my my opinion, this could be a massive trade opportunity because we are here in the symmetrical triangle, and obviously the price target of symmetrical triangle, you measure from the first up point to the second to the first lower point, touch point, and here's the price target around $174. So this could be an amazing long opportunity if in case you open here a trade and set your price target at $170 and set your stop loss here below this blue line at around $43. So this risk reward of 2.04, it's in my opinion amazing risk reward. However, do your own research, but it's not financial advice. Obviously, in case we are breaking here this support line to downside, this will be very, very bad for Aave. But as long as Bitcoin consolidating or pumping, I'm expecting Aave to pump, right? Here I show you also my trades right now. So I have here Bitcoin trade is 186% profit, $921, and Aave trade $219 in profit, 4.1% in profit. So this looks amazing, bratans. I expecting to take profits. I expecting to take profits when we have again new moon. So new moon will be here. Wait, when I open here moon phases, you see here the gray one is the full moon, the blue one is new moon on the 20th April. So here approximately, I expecting here to see there will be a new moon, and after several days after new moon, statistically we are seeing with the statistic of 70 to 80% we see after dump. So I will take here at around the 1920. If we are not further pumping, I will take here profits. Even if we see further pump to the upside, I will take my profits, and then it's all right. I mean, it's still amazing profits, over 100, 200, 300% profits. But never forget, educate yourself, and you can educate yourself by Google or YouTube, or there are so many possibilities. There are so many crypto courses. I have a free crypto trading course in my Discord channel, and I have in my Telegram free crypto signals, especially altcoins. So if you want to join, very easy how you can join it. Here I show you. Link is down below, pinned comment. Make a registration on Bybit through this link and deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. But now, thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. By the way, I'm expecting Bitcoin to consolidate this weekend till Sunday evening, because why? We saw Friday we saw a pump, but then it cooled down. So I'm expecting here to see consolidation, because Friday evening we saw consolidation. So therefore expecting throughout the weekend, as always, the consolidation. But thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.